Man, it feels good to be back. What's going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas. Today, I'm going to discuss a stock that actually IPO'd last week. And this thing is absolutely soaring. It just took off. The thing is this stock that I'm going to discuss is potentially a rival to Tesla. And I could see that stock price getting to Tesla prices. So if you're interested, stay tuned right after this. The stock I'm going to be talking about is going to be Nikola Motor Company. And yes, there are many YouTube videos out there, and a lot of this has been discussed well prior to this video. But the thing is that my video is going to go into this stock in depth. It's going to break down its chart, and we're really going to kick off this thing because I think that this is definitely something most investors should look at or get into when they can. June 2nd, Nikola Motor Company reverse merged with Vecto IQ. And what that allowed that company to do is basically it is now trading on the open market as its own ticker symbol, and it's definitely taken off. The ticker that you're going to be looking for this is going to be NKLA, as you'll see later on my chart. Man, I'm super pumped about this one because I've definitely been tracking this for months. Obviously, Tesla needs a rival. It needs some competition. It's just been destroying everything. And today, Tesla hit a mark as well, breaking the 948 mark. I mean, it is just skyrocketing too. What Nikola Motor Company is they're going to be a kind of a hybrid. They're going to be dabbling in the fuel cell with hydrogen, and then they're also going to be touching on some electric. The thing with Nikola Motor Company is that they are getting into the trucking industry. They are going to be trying to revolutionize and make the trucking industry electric and hydrogen. Their biggest thing is that they're basically creating a zero emissions for the trucking industry, and that's not been done before. And I don't believe Tesla has any rumors of doing it as of this moment. At least they haven't revealed it yet. And that's why this company, I think, is very important and is definitely something that I've invested into already. And it just has been, like I said, going up. I think it's very unique. It found its own niche, and I think it's one of a kind as of right now. This company IPO'd, the orders have been just astronomical. They are obviously just flowing in. And the thing is that this company is about to open a plant where they can start manufacturing these trucks in Coolidge, Arizona. As of right now, the headquarters for this company is going to be in Phoenix, Arizona. So Lucas, the big question is what makes these trucks unique? What makes them different? Well, I'm here to tell you that. And the first thing I'm going to tell you is that these things are putting out 1,000 horsepower. They're putting out 2,000 feet of pound per torque. And on top of that, they're going to be able to travel 500 to 750 miles with zero emissions. And I think that's going to be the headline, is that they're going to be putting out zero emissions, and these trucks are going to be pretty self-sufficient. I mean, how many trucks that big are you seeing just plug in or using hydrogen? I mean, this is a one-of-a-kind business. Can't get any better for this company. They are about to release a pickup truck that can be purchased and is going to be revealed on June 29th. And this thing looks amazing. Let me tell you, it's called the Badger. The innovation that is coming from these companies is just mind-blowing. They're going to take hydrogen, they're going to convert it to electricity. That electricity is going to be pushed to the drivetrain, which is then going to allow these vehicles to travel 500 to 750 miles. I mean, that is just... The question is what's next? Well, the thing is last year, Forbes reported that Anheuser-Busch purchased $14 billion worth of fleet trucks from Nikola Motor Company. And they're going to be the first to test these out. especially for the long distance. I mean, if you think about it, Anheuser-Busch is delivering their alcoholic beverages all across the United States. I mean, they're obviously in Europe as well, but the big places that they're going to be traveling across is the United States, and that's a long distance. So why not give it a chance? Watch any of my videos, you know my favorite part, and that is chart breaking down time. So let's swing on over here and dive into this bad boy. So we're going to start out looking at its Nikola Corporation, ticker symbol NKLA. And I'm going to put this at a 1 week chart because it IPO'd last week. Basically what it means is that it started trading on the open market last week. And it appears it was the 4th. So as you can see, this thing kind of stayed pretty stagnant. It popped up a little bit, but for the most part, from the 4th until today, it was pretty level. And then that's when the news really started to break. There was a lot of information coming out that they were going to break ground on their plant. There was a bunch of orders already in place, all kinds of stuff. And this thing took off like a rocket. As you can see, it opened at $35.65. And I was watching it today and I really paid attention. And as I saw it get to about $50, $52, I started to get in. I ended up getting 3 shares. And throughout the day, I continued to monitor it. As you can see, the volume today was 45 million. So, and the average volume has been about 11. So today the volume was just through the roof. And it ended today, it closed $73.27. That was a 103.70% increase from the open. The thing is it wasn't over. It wasn't done. After hours, it continued to climb an additional 22.29%. and closed at 89.60 in the after hours. I mean, you're looking at what, 126% climb in a day's time. I mean, that's a great day. Let me tell you, I'm pleased. Getting in at $52, whoo, that's nice. So as you can see, guys, if I'm gonna tell you when you should get in, I honestly can't tell you that right now because I don't know what a good price point is for a company that's only been live since, June 4th. I originally would have said right around the $50 mark, but the thing is with all the information coming out and people wanting this stock, the amount of volume that's in it, it's going to be hard to really tell you like, hey, this is a great time to get in. If I had to say, if it can return back into the 50s, which I don't see it happening for a while, or if it can get to the mid 60s, I would definitely say purchase it now because this thing has obviously just bolted in the upward direction. If it does get back down to those prices I just mentioned, I'm definitely gonna throw some more at it. I would like to at least get 10 shares if possible, but I don't know. This thing just continue to climb. And there's not really a price point that people are targeting to even say that this is what it's going to get to. So definitely keep an eye on this one. It should make you a profit if you can get in at those numbers that I mentioned, because I definitely saw a profit today for sure. I mean, anybody who got in and saw 123% climb is going to make a profit. So that's all I got to say about this chart. Woo! Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As much fun as it was, and it definitely a stock that, I'm going to keep my eye on moving forward, and I hope you keep your eye on as well. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my channel. And as always, have a good day.